Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 3D printer for miniatures available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 3D printer for miniatures, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. ELEGOO Mars 4 MSLA 3D Printer. Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD that boasts an impressive 8520 by 4320 resolution and 18 micrometers XY resolution, enabling you to print crisp and intricate models every time with every detail of your model accurately rendered. The 153.36 by 77.76 by 175 mm superscript 3/6.04 x 3.06 x 6.89 inch build volume provides you with enough space for daily creations without sacrificing printing accuracy. The Mars 4 uses a powerful COB light source that uniformly exposes the beam of 405 nanometers wavelength across the entire LCD, ensuring that your prints are consistent and accurate. The build plate has a laser-carved surface that provides excellent adhesion and ensures that models stick to the build plate during printing to improve the printing success rate. The 3.5-inch touchscreen comes with a model preview function and a real-time progress bar that allows you to monitor the printing process and make adjustments as needed. If you have a problem with the product, please reach out to ELEGOO Professional Technical Support Team. We will respond within 24 business hours. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. Photon Mono 4 boasts an impressive 105% increase in print precision compared to Mono 2. With a resolution of 9024 by 5120, each pixel measures a mere 17 by 17 micrometers on the X and Y axis. This enhanced capability allows for creating models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. The time-tested ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source technology delivers stable, balanced, and uniform lighting to reduce layer lines and rasterization, creating models with ultra-smooth surface and maximum print details. With a generous maximum build volume of 6.04 foot x 3.42 x 6.49/153.4 mm x 87 mm x 165 mm, you have ample print space to easily tackle your daily tasks and demanding projects. With a new design, the laser engraving platform of the Photon Mono 4 improves adhesion to mitigate lifting and warping of the model during 3D printing, while keeping the removal process simple and smooth. The 4-point leveling method is ideal for beginners. After the first leveling and tightening the 4 screws, no need to repeat leveling. Photon Mono 4 can resume printing when power is restored, effectively reducing material and time wastage. Number 3. LYNCAST 3D Printer DLP Technology. Unleash your creative potential and bring your ideas to life with LYNCAST 3D Printer. Explore endless possibilities and DIY anything that captures your interest. Powered by TI, Texas Instruments, DLP technology, the printer projects a concentrated 500 nanometers beam directly onto the resin tank, ensuring an impressive 95% light uniformity. With a lifespan of over 20,000 plus hours, LYNCAST DLP 3D printer offers exceptional durability, outlasting LCD screens by 10 times. Enjoy substantial savings on maintenance costs by eliminating frequent LCD screen replacements. Maximize print accuracy, minimizing light source distortion and diffusion, surpassing the print quality of LCD 3D machines with similar resolutions. The tempered glass, replacing traditional LCD screens, boasts an outstanding light transmittance of 95%, effectively minimizing light diffusion and stray light interference. The sandblasted surface build plate ensures strong adhesion, significantly enhancing the success rate of your prints. With a low power consumption, LYNCAST prioritizes energy efficiency and environmental friendliness. The linear guide rail, combined with a silent motor drive, eliminates the need for cooling fans, resulting in low heat generation and a noise level as low as 35 dB. Enjoy a peaceful and quiet creative process without any disturbance. Number 4. GIANTARM 3D Printer for Kids. GITEC 3D Printers has large capacity nozzle, a 50W hot and heating rod, and efficient heat dissipation improve printing stability and reliability. Further, insert TF plate, with a printing speed of up to 250 mm/, save printing time. Our printer turns complexity into creativity, fueling simplicity, greatly reducing the threshold for beginners. M1 Mini 3D printer uses a dual drive metal gear with a gear ratio of up to 1:5, greater torque, greater extrusion force, higher printing accuracy, and can easily print 0.5 kilograms TPU/PLA consumables. So note, if you use 1 kilogram filaments, need filament holder, print area 3.94 by 4.33 by 3.94 in. No need manual adjust. Small 3D printer for kids has 16-point full auto leveling technology, auto nozzle cleaning and filament break detection, fully open source, supports command editing, etc. Make printing more simple and more precise, ensure a smooth printing process every time. Out of the box, fully assembled 3D printers is super easy to operate and does not require a complex setup, knob operation, one button and slash out filament. Even those with no prior experience can quickly master it. Experience the convenience and reliability of this 3D printer, with 2.4 LCD color screen, high brightness lighting, and PI print plate. A good idea as a surprise gift on a birthday or holiday, for school teaching, or a shop crafts and toys DIY, etc. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D Printer. 225x280mm/8.85x 8.85x 11-inch printing size can meet the needs of most users. With an STM32 motherboard, all axes of ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro are driven by silent stepper motors for quieter and more precise movement during printing, which reduces the noise as low as 47 to 48 dB. The easy-to-set-up printer comes with the main components pre-assembled, as well as a complete toolkit for quick installation. The new direct drive extruder is made of SUS 303 high-quality stainless steel with a 3:1 reduction ratio and stronger extrusion force for smoother filament feeding and more stable and accurate printing, which greatly reduces nozzle clogging and under-extrusion issues. Printing effect is better than Bowden extruder. Compatible with multiple filaments such as PLA, TPU, PTG, and ABS. The nozzle kit contains a TC4 titanium alloy throat pipe, an aluminum alloy flat heatsink structure, and a brass nozzle. The widened aluminum heatsink paired with the front close-fitting efficient cooling fan for a better heat dissipation effect and lower the temperature of the throat pipe, thereby reducing the possibility of nozzle clogging. Auto bed leveling adopts a high-precision sensor to automatically scan 36 6x6 points of the hotbed and collect data in real time, and then adjust the Z-axis height to compensate for any irregularities and unevenness of the printing platform, only applicable to metal printing platforms. The printer will auto-pause when the filament runs out or breaks, and you can resume printing after a power outage.